Let's study the following words and identify the vowel sounds in them in order to pronounce them correctly. Indicates the vowels used in each of the following words from 1 to 8. Number 1, dawn, O. So the long vowel sound is found in this, O. Number 2, wolf, U. Wolf, not wolf, but wolf. So the sound is a short back vowel sound, U. Number 3, plait, not plait, but plait, as in to plait a hair. Plait. The short vowel sound is found in this word. Number 4, young, not young, but young. Short central vowel sound, So we have this sound. Number 5, curve, O. We have the short sound, O. Number 6, build, not build, E. Build. So we have the short sound, E. Number 7, purse, not pause. I'm not rounding my lips. Purse. The long sound. We have this, Number 8, head, head. So we have the sound, So with these sounds, you will be able to pronounce these words correctly. Please like, comment, and share this video.